How to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issues on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issues on Android. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's get started. First, restart your device. Restart both your Android phone and Wi-Fi router simultaneously. Simply hold the power button on your device and swipe towards restart. And you need to restart your router too. Once you have done that, you need to forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. To do so, open Settings. Now tap on Wi-Fi. Choose your connected or saved networks and tap on I button. Now tap on Forget and then you need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network using the same password. You need to check whether your issue resolved or not. If not, you need to go back to Settings. Tap on the search bar and type in Reset Network Settings. And you need to wait for a while until this option loads. Tap on it to open. Select Reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and Mobile Network Settings. Now verify your identity. After that, you need to tap Reset Network Settings. Once you have done that, you will finally resolve your issue. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.